Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain example on socket address for DHCP application. Now what is the given example? A DHCP server residing on a host with IP address 198.6.4.9 sends a message to a DHCP client residing on a host with IP address 16.0.5.24. What is the pair of sockets used in this communication? The solution for this example is simple. DHCP server uses UDP on port number 67, which is a well-known port number lying in the range 0 to 1023. DHCP client uses UDP on port number 68, which is again a well-known port number lying in the range from 0 to 1023. Therefore, the server socket address is 198.6.4.9:67, which is the IP address of the source machine colon the port number allocated to the server process on the source machine. And the client socket address is the IP address of the destination machine colon the port number of the client process. Thus, the client socket address is 16.0.5.24:68. Now, though the example seems to be simple, you need to understand what is socket address, where it is created, what is port number, and how the communication takes place at the transport layer. Now, socket address is IP address colon port number. Whenever an application is run at the application layer, the processes are generated. The process is identified by a port number on the transport layer. Now in this particular example, DHCP Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol application is used, and this DHCP application always uses UDP protocol at the transport layer. UDP protocol provides the source port number and the destination port number to the server and the client processes at the transport layer. The socket address which will be created at the application layer requires the IP address from the internet layer and the port address from the transport layer. So whenever an application is run on a machine, it generates a process, and that process is identified by a port number on the transport layer. And in this particular example, the DHCP server is sending information to the DHCP host. So here at the source side, the process generated is the server process, and at the destination side, the process generated is the client process. So process to process communication takes place at the transport layer, and these processes are identified by the port numbers at the transport layer. So the application DHCP uses port numbers from the transport layer and IP addresses from the internet layer to form the socket at the source side and destination side. And thus the server socket address for the given example is 198.6.4.9:67, and the client socket address is 16.0.5.24:68. Thank you.